Hello, and welcome savvy investors. Today, we dive into the golden world of wealth preservation. As the dollar weakens and inflation soars, we uncover how gold and Gold IRA can be your financial lifeline in 2024. Picture the financial market as a vast ocean, currently facing a storm. Traditional investments, like stocks and bonds, are like ships struggling in this turmoil. But there's one vessel that remains steadfast: gold. This is not just a symbol of wealth, it's a beacon of security in these turbulent times. Let's explore how gold, especially Gold IRA, offers a tax-deferred path to safeguarding your future. History has shown that gold consistently holds its value, especially during inflationary periods. It's not just an investment, it's a legacy, a testament to financial wisdom that transcends generations. Gold IRAs offer a unique advantage. They're not just a hedge against inflation, but also a tax-efficient way to diversify your retirement portfolio. In these uncertain times, that's a powerful combination. 2024 isn't just another year, it's a financial crossroads. The dollar's weakening grip on the global economy is evident. Meanwhile, gold emerges as the only true currency, unshaken and reliable. Look at this chart. Do you see the upward trend? That's not just a line. It's a path to financial security and peace of mind in 2024. I was worried about inflation eating away my retirement savings.
How to build wealth with a self-directed IRA. What has changed over the past few years? Why should you invest in hard assets inside of a self-directed IRA versus outside of a self-directed IRA? And how can you protect yourself against the volatility of the stock market if you're investing in traditional 401k plans, etc.? Can you roll this over into a self-direction? So we're going to try to answer all of those questions today. Really like to dive into self-direction every year or so here on the show because it's such a powerful wealth building tool. And the guest we have today is the CEO of Lear Capital. It's Kevin Demerit, and they know a thing or two about setting up self-directed accounts, just like we do at Morris Invest, helping people get up and running with a self-directed account that can invest, of course, in real estate, in precious metals, silver, gold, actual physical, tangible assets. And that's what we're talking about today. So Kevin is a great educator as well, and his company is really focused on education like we are at Morris Invest. So Kevin, great to have you here on the show to talk some self-direction today.
Yeah, great to be back. Thanks for having me.
So let's first start with the ground rules here and what exactly is a self-directed IRA. We are, we're heading into 2024 now. Some things have changed post-pandemic. There were some loosening of things, then tightening of things. So give our audience just a high-level understanding of what a self-directed IRA is.
Okay, so if someone has a traditional IRA at one of the brokerage houses, you're kind of limited to what you invest in by what they're offering. So if you wanted to place precious metals or a promissory note or a piece of real estate into your IRA, it's next to impossible with those types of IRAs. So a lot of people will move some portion over to a self-directed IRA so that they can hold real estate, so that they can hold physical precious metals and other types of alternative investments that the brokerage houses just won't allow. If you're talking about a 401k, your options are even more limited because it's picking what you would like to invest in every quarter or every 6 months based on what their options are. So self-directed IRAs basically just open up the floodgate, if that's a word,
Right,
to allow people to have so many different alternatives for their self-directed IRAs.
Now, the real secret here, too, is that Wall Street really doesn't want you to have a self-directed account, right? Can you talk about why there's a lot of pushback on Wall Street for you owning your own account that you control, sort of checkbook control of your own retirement?
I think the biggest is because, their 1% management fee or their commissions based on, that retirement plan have left, and you save that when you're in a self-directed IRA. It's whatever your fee is, which is, $125 to $75, somewhere around there for a self-directed IRA per year. Well, if you have $100,000 or a couple of $100,000 in your IRA, that 1% or 0.75% management fee, they're losing. It's gone. You save it. So that would be the biggest reason I think the brokerage houses don't want to lose the money under management.
Well, one of my experiences I'll just share with the audience, and you can chime in on this, was when I many years ago worked at Fox News Corporation, and I had a lot of money in my 401k plan. I asked them, Am I allowed to, use this in order to purchase real estate? Because I'd like to self-direct this. I'd like to be able to utilize this money. Do you at Fidelity have the option for me to buy real estate? And of course, they lied to me on the phone and they told me, yes, you can invest in real estate. I said, oh, great. So if I identified a property that I wanted to invest in, it's cash flowing, it's new construction, etc., I can use my 401k to purchase this? And they said, well, no. You can invest in some real estate REITs if you want, which we don't encourage, but you can use it to invest in that. Oh, so then it's really not self-direct. I can't control this at all. And if I want to pull this out, I won't be able to do that. So they really go to great lengths to lie to you about what types of investments you can use use your retirement funds for, no?
Oh, yeah, sure. They want to make it sound as enticing as humanly possible because they love to have your money, especially when you're investing in a 401k or a pension plan in a company. If everyone remembers the Enron debacle, years ago, a couple of decades ago, those people lost everything. They lost everything in their pension, everything in the 401k, because the company had the ability to borrow out of that 401k or out of those pensions. So there's some other risks that people need to understand. When those companies are enticing them with, hey, look, I'll match a portion of your savings that you're placing in. And those are great programs. Look, I think people should do them. It's when you leave, when you retire, if the company gets purchased, those are opportunities for you to be able to transfer that into a self-directed IRA or a different IRA so that you have protection against the company doing something with your money as well. So we want to make sure that we protect against that.
Diversify their portfolios and safeguard their wealth through strategic investment in precious metals. Their personalized approach ensures that each client's unique needs are met. Lear Capital's personalized approach makes the investor confident in investment choices. Their team guide each client every step of the way. To get your free investor kit, please click the link in the description below and learn more about Lear Capital's simple process and get answers to the common questions about Gold IRA.